So I'm gonna talk about what makes difference studying architecture into other existing courses or programs. When we are near graduating senior high school, students tend to think what the best course fitted from them. Some think medical related, some wants to teach students so they took educational courses. Police, psychologists, flight attendant, and so on. On the other hand, there's a course that some think it's easy or too easy to handle because they said it's more on drawings only courses. And here comes architecture. So now we'll talk about what makes difference studying architecture into other existing courses or programs. First on the list is interdisciplinary nature. Architecture integrates various disciplines such as art, engineering, sociology, psychology, history, and environmental science students. Students need to understand not only design principle and technical aspect but also social, cultural, and environmental context. Second on the list is design thinking and creativity. Architecture education emphasizes design thinking, creativity, and innovating. Students are encouraged to think critically, problem solve creatively, and develop unique solutions to complex challenges. Third one is hands-on learning. Unlike some other academic disciplines, architecture often involves hands-on learning experience such as studio courses, where student works on design projects, create physical models, and develop digital renderings. This experiential learning approach allows students to apply theoretical knowledge. Next is long duration of studies. Architecture programs typically have longer durations compared to many other undergraduate courses or degrees, often lasting 5 or more years. This extended time frame allows students to delve deeper into architectural theory, history, technology, and practice. And we have integration of theory and practice. Architecture education combines theoretical knowledge with practical skills. Students not only learn about architecture, history, theory, and criticism, but also engage in design studio projects where they apply these concepts to real-world design challenges. Collaborative learning environment. Architecture students foster collaborative learning environment where students work closely with peers, professors, and professionals. This teamwork mirrors the collaborative nature of architectural practice, where architects often collaborate with clients, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders. Next, ethical and social responsibility. Architectural education emphasizes the ethical and social responsibility of architects to creative, sustainable, inclusive, and social conscious design. Students learn about environmental sustainability, social equity, accessibility, and ethical considerations in design and practice. And lastly, licensure and professional practice. Become a licensed architect typically requires completing a professional degree in architecture, gaining practical experience through internship, and passing the architect registration examination or ARE. This licensure process sets architecture apart from many other academic disciplines and signifies a commitment to profession's standards and ethics. So to conclude, overall, studying architecture offers a unique blend of creativity, technical expertise, interdisciplinary collaboration, and social responsibility, making it distinct from other courses or programs. It prepares students to become innovative designers, critical thinkers, and responsible practitioners who contribute positively to the built environment and society as a whole.